The 2009 G8. This BMW-like super sedan from Pontiac offers plenty of everything for a driver looking for excitement. The full-size sedan has cabin comfort to make most any drive enjoyable with larger than expected rear seat room. The engine of the G8 allows very acceptable performance and handling. Overall, this vehicle has a distinctive appearance without being overly aggressive and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, CD changer, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Vasser with Jimmy Vasser Chevrolet and Jimmy Vasser Toyota, and welcome to our digital showroom. I want to personally thank you for giving us the opportunity to earn your business and to show you why you should come down and experience the difference here at Jimmy Vasser. We're located in the heart of downtown Napa. Jimmy Vasser, our family serving your family for over 15 years. Thank you.